Hello, today I'll be demonstrating a sampan origami model, which is of both the ends. For this, I'll be using a 15 by 15 centimeter square paper, which is colored at one end and white at the other end. But you can also use any other size square paper. You can also use a normal printing paper, which is cut into a square. But make sure that the paper that you use is quite thin, because the model becomes quite thick as we proceed. So now let's begin. Make sure that the color end face downward, and first we need to make a diagonal crease. For this you need to bring the corners of the paper to this end and you make a crease, and similarly do it for the other end. Now open this up. Now you need to bring the corners up to the center of the paper and make a crease. Similarly for the other three ends. Now once this is done, the model will look like this. Now just open this flap and fold this inside. Similarly for the opposite end. And for the other two ends, you need to fold it upwards. Now keep the orientation of the model this way and flip over and fold the two ends up to the center, and make sure that you make a proper crease with your nail end. Similarly for the other thing. Now once you are done with this, the corner you have to bring it up to the center. This can be a bit tricky as the paper becomes quite thick. Make sure that the edges are quite perfect. Now once you are done with this, you again need to fold it up to the center point. And the paper now, if you see, it has become quite thick. Similarly for the other corner. Similarly for the other two ends. Now use your nail end to follow the crease. So that the creases are quite crisp. Now you have to fold this edge up to the center, and similarly this edge up to the center. Now once you are done with this, the next step is a bit tricky and you have to be careful while folding because the paper might tear. So you have to use your thumb pressure to press this inside. and make sure that you make the base completely flat. And if you can see here, so now our sampan boat is ready.